Hello, hi Sudhir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you today?
Uh, Hi, madam. How about you?
I'm fine. Did you say you're good? What did you say? I couldn't catch that.
I'm fine, madam. I'm
Oh,
fine.
okay. All right then. Wonderful. So, what did you do today? Today is a holiday, I believe, for you also, or do you have a working weekend?
No, ma'am. Today is a holiday and I was at home.
Okay, fine then. So, did you watch any movie or a TV show, or did you read something?
Uh, First, I was watching English uh, tutors on YouTube. After
Okay.
that, I start reading. And
Mm-hmm.
now, before an hour ago, I was watching a movie. I think Bagban movie.
Bhagwan movie. It's quite an emotional one, right?
Uh,
I understand, yes. So, is this the first time you're watching that movie, or have you watched it before?
No, I have watched it before, but no, it's a movie is very good. I think it's a very good message in that movie, and
Mm-hmm.
I like it. So repeat and repeat whenever it comes on uh, um, channels. So I watched
Yes.
it because it's good.
Okay, then great. So you like to rewatch movies. So do you like to watch English
Yeah.
films too?
Watch English dub movies, South movies, which is dubbed in English. Okay, Holly,
Okay.
I'm.
Okay. So South dubbed films. That's nice. Is it helping you?
Yeah, yes, it's helping a lot me.
It's helping me a lot.
Yeah, it's helping
Okay.
me a lot.
Exactly. Okay, then wonderful. Whatever helps you, it's good. Okay. And who is your favorite celebrity? It can be a movie star or a sports person, singer, musician, anybody. Who is your favorite celeb?
Favorite celebrity in my
Yes.
life.
Yeah.
In a cricket, I like Sachin Tendulkar, and
Uh-huh.
in a movies,
Uh-huh.
lots of there are first of all Amitabh Bachchan and second Ajay Devgan. I like.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. So, do you think it is good to be a celebrity?
Sometimes it is good, but sometimes it's very because if we are a celebrity, so it's very difficult to go around and it is difficult to roaming with friends
Mhm.
at free time. It's really difficult.
Hmm.
Celebrity.
Okay, what are the advantages of being famous? Or what are the advantages of being a celebrity? Can you give?
Advantages. Sorry, ma'am, I don't have any idea because I'm not famous. So I'm not
You might not
imagine.
be famous. Just a second. You might not be famous, but you know the lifestyle of famous people, right? You are at that stage in life you have observed them, right? You read
Yeah,
about
yeah,
people. So based on
yes.
the observation, see, if we ask you about any opinion, it doesn't mean you have to experience it. You can just give your perspective about it. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if I uh, share about it, they whenever they go in a public,
Mm-hmm.
imitate them in their
Mm.
life.
Yeah. Right. So celebrities are very influential. You can say that they influence the youth a lot, right?
They influence. Yes,
Okay. And now, if there is any advantage to something, there are also certainly a lot of disadvantages also, right? Some negative aspects. So, based on your observation, can you give me like one or two disadvantages of being a celebrity?
I think I told you if is being a celebrity, you can't roaming freely in the public places. It is very difficult to roaming here and there, and also
Okay. Fine. Right. So, privacy. Privacy is the issue, correct?
privacy issues.
Yeah, true that. Okay, then. Fine. And you might know that a lot of famous people, they indulge in charity work, right? They help NGOs, people who are
Yes,
poor, etc. So do you feel like they should advertise what charity work they do, or should they keep it private? The question is, should they share it or should they keep it private? So your answer should have the same modal verb, like they should do it or they should not do it. Then you can give your reason. Okay. Whenever you are asked for any opinion, first you will give your opinion, then you will give the reasons for the opinion. That is how your
okay,
sentences should be structured. Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
first you give me your opinion. Should they share the work or should they keep it private? That much you tell me.
They should share their work,
Done.
in my opinion.
Why
They
should
should
they
they
share their work? Right. Now give the
because
reason.
once they share with publicly,
Hmm.
so public comes to know that this uh, person share their shares, or these celebrities help the needy poor people. So
Yeah.
public comes to know this.
Beautiful. Good then. Great answer. See now how simple it is. Earlier, your sentences, it was just going somewhere. Like it was not answering the question directly. So the trick is, yeah, so the trick is whenever you are asked any opinion based question, first you will share your opinion. Yes, no, I think they should do it. I think they should not do it. After that, you will give the reasons for your opinion. As simple as that.
Okay, okay.
Okay. All right. Good. Fine. Have you seen any celebrity in your real life, like even if it's from a distance?
No, never.
No, never.
No, never. I went Mumbai most of the time, but I
Mhm.
never. Oh, I only saw them in a movie only.
Okay. 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 All right. So, if you had the chance to meet any famous person, whom would you like to meet?
Most of Amitabh Bachchan. First,
Amitabh Bachchan. Okay.
yeah,
Have you seen his house in Mumbai? Because I've seen a lot of fans gather around his house.
yes, yes. It's a very difficult to meet celebrities.
Right. Correct. Yeah. Okay. So, see, celebrities are in the public eye, right? They are always in front of people constantly. So, in your opinion, what qualities should a celebrity possess?
There's movies. I think its name uh, Pushpa.
Yes,
Okay, movie was very good,
right.
and all the actors were very good. They play very well. But in the
Mhm.
movies, they played a negative role. Means one gun influence on policemen. Okay,
Mhm.
its message goes wrong sometimes. Okay, they contribute in the corruption. So
Yes.
it's it's a
Mhm.
means wrong message go in a publicly. So
Yeah, the wrong
I think
message is given to the public.
actually they are good,
Hmm.
but they did in the movies. So
Hmm.
I think it's not actually quality, because they have a good quality in their real life. But
Yes.
my answer is only when they make a movie.
Yes.
So it's a message goes in a publicly, and public never think about their real life. They only
Yes.
saw in movies, and they think that this person seemed like, okay. Sometimes they
Yeah.
crying and they shouting and they come in the theaters also. So
Mhm.
publicly,
Yes, 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 right. So, like whatever the celebrities do, young people especially, they try to copy, right? They try to imitate.
yes, yes,
So, yeah,
limited.
yeah, that's why they always say don't glorify violence. Violence and all they show because it exists in real life, so obviously it will be there on screen, but it should not be glorified. It should not be shown that yes, violence is correct. That should not
Correct.
be shown, right?
That
Yeah.
should.
Right. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing all your views. Great effort you put in. You need to work on the basics of English. Okay. So you have the ideas, you can communicate to a great extent. It's just the basic stuff, like the tenses. So, first of all, I think for the next 2 weeks, you just revise the concept of the 12 English tenses: past tense, present tense, future tense. You watch any 10-minute YouTube video that explains all the concept, see some ready-made sentences, and try to make your own sentences. Okay, so this is the feedback. Just work on the basics. Overall, you speak well. Like whatever ideas you say, I'm able to understand it. Okay, if your grammar you can correct, it will be even better. Okay,
Okay.
so that is the thing. I'll just give you some very simple examples. Apart, you can't go with anywhere. You said when we were talking about disadvantages of celebrities, right? You're just supposed to say you can't go anywhere, not go with anywhere. With is said when you say साथ में, like you can't go with anyone, which means आप किसी के साथ नहीं जा सकते. So
Okay.
here you will say आप कहीं भी नहीं जा सकते. You're supposed to say you can't go anywhere. That's it. Okay. Second one, I went to Mumbai. No, you're supposed to say I went to Mumbai. Okay. I went to Mumbai. I went to Delhi. I went to Bangalore. So it's always went to TO. Right. And last one, when it comes to the tenses, you said if a person is a celebrity, you can't roaming freely. No, it's not a continuous format. You're simply supposed to say you can't roam freely. मतलब आप खुल के घूम फिर नहीं सकते हो, right? You can't roam freely. That's it. Got it. So yeah, just your tenses, Sudhir. Focus on that, and you should be fine. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am, I don't have any question.
Okay. So it was very nice talking to you. Great effort. Keep practicing. Don't let go of your English practice. Try to watch some English shows. Any English interviews, whether it is Indian celebrities, foreign celebrities, doesn't matter. Just watch some English interviews and keep listening to English content. Okay.
If I want to read any book, please suggest me any book that is good for me.
Any book that is good for you. So, what kind of stories do you like to read? What's your favorite
Yeah,
genre?
yeah,
Sorry,
mm, yeah, stories book.
you like short story books? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So there is one book. It's called The Alchemist. Okay. So this is one book you can start reading, or The Archer. Wait, this book you start reading. The Archer. The author is Paulo Coelho. Okay. So he is the author.
Okay.
Okay, The Archer,
Oh,
it's a very small book actually. It's a pocket sized book. You can finish it within 5 days. It is a small book, but the story is interesting. So I hope you enjoy it.
okay. Okay.
Okay, all right. Okay, Sudhir. So have a lovely evening. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
You're welcome.